Click on the link below to see price. KYNG 2000Wh Solar Generator KIT. The KYNG 2000Wh Solar Generator KIT is a portable power station and emergency power supply that uses a solar panel and a battery to produce clean, safe power. It is ideal for RV tenting, boats, and as a backup power source during power outages. One of the most important features of a solar generator is its battery storage capacity. This allows users to use the generator even when there is little or no sun. The battery bank size depends on the amount of energy you need. The higher the battery capacity, the longer it will store energy. The price of this kit depends on the features that you need and the amount of power you need. You can get a kit that can power your TV and other home appliances up to 2000 W. In addition, if you plan to take it on a camping trip or hiking trip, you can get a lightweight model that can be easily carried. This generator capacity is 2000 Wh, 2800 W peak. Will charge over 3000 times. It will meet any of your emergency needs, camping, CPAP, and charging just about any device you can think of. If you have enough items to carry, this 2000 Wh generator is compact, lightweight, and with its carrying handle makes it an easy essential tool to have with you at all times. Supports laptop charge 40 plus hours, refrigerator 15W 12 plus hours, iPad mini 100 plus times, smartphone 150 plus times, TV 30 plus hours, drone battery 25 plus times. Lightweight, compact in size, durable, weighing just 34 pounds, being off-grid has never been so easy. When you find yourself in the midst of an emergency, for home use, camping. If you need to have power ASAP. This generator can easily be charged by AC wall outlet, cigarette adapter, or by solar panel. This solar generator comes with one AC outlet, one extension cord included with multiple AC outlets, one solar charging import, two DC outlets 5V1/5V2, 1A, one cigarette outlet and one universal portable outlet plug. KYNG Power 2000 Portable Power Station is built by our company after many years of professional accumulation based on extensive users' feedback. The new design adopts a lithium battery as the energy storage main body. It has the features of small size, large capacity, lightweight, high power, easy to carry and so on, providing you the simple solution of mobile power supply. It is widely used in outdoor office, medical rescue, fire protection rescue, field recreation, emergency communications, and environmental monitoring, camping, hurricane, cabin, RV, emergency, etc. Free items that comes with the kit: MPPT solar controller, extension cord, car charger, AC wall adapter, solar MC4 cable, AC universal plug. KYNG 2000Wh Portable Power Station 100% guaranteed. This generator comes with a 1-year warranty. Click on the link below to see price.